Why don't I make a new class called camera as well? And the camera should be only called from stage class, or should it be called universally? I would think the camera is separate from the stage. Okay, so let's make a new class of camera, because there will be more, camera manipulation that will happen. Camera.ts, export, and then the camera class camera is, constructor. It's position XYZ, and constructor this position. Initially it's XYZ. Yeah, so that's that. And then this file would actually create export camera, export an instance, because there will be only one camera anyways. Export const camera. So camera will be imported anywhere from the project, anywhere in the project. So stage had some mention about the camera, right? What is it? Move camera is to position. So I think move camera, the whole thing should be moved to the camera, and move camera should be just renamed to just camera, and to position promise. So it's a promise. It returns a promise. So this camera set attribute. Okay, so instead of this camera, this is actually L. Sorry, L. So L is an HTML element. And this, L document create by get element by ID, and it's called actually rig. And this L set attribute. So this camera will be all this L. So the camera element can be initialized at the beginning, at the construction level, because it's always be defined in wait async. Okay, so what's the HTML null is not assignable to type HTML element. Okay, I see. Oh no. This L possibly null. So this L should be always to position is on XYZ. To position and resolve. Expect one argument. Resolve always expects some elements, but I just return true. It's a promise. Cannot find promise. Did you mean promise? Yes, I did. Boolean. Does it help? Yep. So this is a camera object, and this camera at the construction level. So okay, where was the move camera function called? Camera or move camera? I'm just going to follow that. So stage await move camera. This move camera. No. Let's import camera. position. And where's another move camera? Yep. Move camera. Cool. So I'm cutting lines. Okay, so this is actually another unit method. Highlight attack target tiles. So tiles is also highlighted, but also unit is also highlighted. Target tile. So target unit is defined. A target unit. Then target unit. Light attack target. Okay. Now go to unit. Okay, so highlight attack target. This L, is this L defined globally? No. Okay, just design this L. That's what it is. And go back to the stage and save it. Yeah. Attack target, it's actually, is it a stage operation or unit operation? Yeah, let's leave it in stage because it involves like 2 units, so it's kind of interaction. Clear highlight tile highlights. Well, it's clearing the tile highlights, but at the same time it's clearing the unit. Okay, so I'm going to do is what unit on highlight. We'll remove highlight. On highlight. Unit on highlight. He knows, right? On highlight. On highlight attack target is, I think, the proper terminology, I guess. So this L is this ID to string and query selector a box L query selector a box set attribute color white L set attribute focus click mode. Okay, so UI click mode focus. Okay, so this const. Okay, and on highlight attack target. That's the word, right? On highlight attack target. Yeah, now I saved a lot of lines. Now it's 165 lines. Okay, I should keep working on it, but no, what I'm as you can see, it's I'm just breaking each action down to each class. Now the unit class is growing, but I will work on it. Okay, so let's pause.